tips with Jane. Okay, boys, let's put dinner together. As a mom of 4 growing boys, I wanted to do what I could to send them out into the world with some tips from home. Okay, boys, it's time for dinner. First, put your chicken in the oven because that takes about 40 minutes at 400 degrees. Second, prepare the salad. Pick and choose your fresh veggies, and then you can also add a dressing. This is a clean dressing that you all are enjoying right now. Third, you can start on the steak. I use some olive oil on medium-high, 3 minutes on each side. And be sure you let it sit so it will be nice and juicy after you're done. Okay, almost done. Put the asparagus in the oven to cook for about 8 minutes, and you can take a peek at your chicken at the same time. Finally, using your same steak pan, cook your jalapeno peppers on medium until they get soft. You can add some extra olive oil if you need to. Cook them for about 5 minutes depending on how soft you want them, and just add some salted salt and garlic powder. You can do it, boys. I want you to keep watching these videos and build your confidence. And remember, Mommy loves you. As always, if you enjoyed watching, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.